Isa sa mga pinaka-pinag-uusapan ngayon sa UAAP ay ang bagong Ateneo wing na si Kaimani Ladi. And for good reason. Pag binuksan mo at pinanood mo yung game, he literally stands out. Standing at 6'7", meron na kagad na unfair advantage. Isama mo pa na yung skillset niya, he's some kind of a 3-level scoring wing. So very interesting. Pag-usapan natin yung numbers. Through his first 2 games, Kai Ladi played roughly 30 minutes per game in which he averaged 22 points, 9.5 rebounds, and 1.5 assists per game. I know, it's been 2 games, pero kapag pinanood mo kasi siya, sobrang standout player niya. Bihira lang na merong 6'7", pushing 6'8" na wing na merong ganitong skill set. And is quite efficient as well. Sa 2-game sample size na yan, he shot 50% from the field on very high volume, 17 attempts per game, almost 9 made. Tapos in terms of 3-point shooting naman, shot 41.7% from 3 on very good volume as well. 5 out of 12 total. So basically, mga 2.5 made out of 6 attempts per game. In terms of his play, he likes to shoot mid-rangers, which is quite interesting. Mas matangkad kasi siya compared to his usual competition, so kapag tumitira siya ng dribble pull-ups over his defenders, halos unguardable. So teams were quick to adjust and nagfo-focus sila ngayon on denying him the ball. Pero sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung parts ng game ni Kai Ladi na nag-stand out sa akin. Now let's talk about this game. First, yung 3-point shooting. I know maraming curious kasi kapag matangkad, athletic, and supposedly wing, diba? Make or break if kayang shumot ng 3 points or hindi. Like we've mentioned earlier, 41.7% siya on very decent volume. And that's because he takes a lot of smart shots. Makikita natin dito, floating around siya sa perimeter, waiting for an opportunity, catch and shoot, straight on, no fluffs, just smart basketball. Dito, there's going to be a pick and roll, and then magsiswitch dito ang UE. Now, itong si number 14, magkakaroon siya ng smaller defender which would attract defense, which would attract help defense. Makikita natin, ito, medyo nag-sync siya to support his teammate. Now, si Kai Ladi nag-lift siya papunta rito sa may wing, farther kumpara sa position niya from before. And that's enough kasi matangkad na nga siya, 6'7", kahit na naka-recover na rito yung defender. Medyo malayo. And late na yung contest, and for a guy like Kai Ladi sa kanyang size, diba, and versatility, open shot na yon. That's still a good shot. Itong clip naman na to, papakita ko na nagbe-benefit din kasi siya sa mga players kagaya ni Jared Bahay, who is a ball dominant guard, diba, who can drive and kick. And mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung on-ball skills and also off-ball skills na rin ni Kai Ladi. Pero dito, pakita ko sa inyo yung 2-man game between Jared Bahay and Kai Ladi. Dito, empty side pick and roll. The defense would go over the screen. And then si Jared Bahay will blow by his defender na nag-go over. And now, this guy, kailangan niya mag-help. Kasi it's an empty side, walang magtatag. Now, Jared Bahay will get a paint touch, draw an extra defenders, Kai Ladi magpa-pop sa wing, wide open, again late closeout. Not enough kasi 6'7" nga siya with long arms, just shoots over the defense. And yun yung advantage talaga sa ganitong klaseng size, playing sa ganitong level of competition. If somewhat decent ka from the outside and malaki ka, you can just shoot over the defense. And ang magiging question na lang nito moving forward, kasi one and done si Kai Ladi, Di natin alam sa siya maglalaro eventually. Pero ang magiging question, kung yung competition, di ba, lumevel na sa size niya and sa skill niya, ano pa yung kaya niyang gawin outside of what he is doing right now. Pero, ang context nga natin is UAAP. So sa UAAP, he is quite an anomaly, especially having the skill set na meron siya. Dito naman sa play na to, again, it's Jared Bahay with the ball. This is a horns formation. Dadaan ngayon si Bahay sa screen ni Kai Ladi, and this is going to be a horns lift. Bakit siya lift? Kasi pagkadaan sa screen, nag-lift sa top of the key si Kai Ladi. So now, knowing, 42% 3-point shooter nga siya, makakapag-generate siya ng mga aggressive closeouts. Kagaya dito, hands up, inatake niya, fade away, turn around, pasok. Isa yan sa mga pinaka-paborito niyang shot attempts base sa dalawang laro na pinanood ko. Mahilig siya mag-dribble pull-up sa mid-range. He likes to shoot fadeaway jumpers. Especially sa height niya, again, he can just shoot over the defense. And speaking about dribble pull-ups, dito makikita natin, it's Kyle Ladi with the ball. 4 siya, pero binibigyan siya ng opportunities to create na siya mismo yung may hawak ng bola. Brush screen from Jared Bahay. Again, it's an empty side. Okay? Yung defense, nadali dun sa brush screen ni Jared Bahay. So, dalawa yung nag-commit kay Bahay. So, merong split second si Kyle Ladi na wide open, around 16 feet. Dribble pull-up. Again, shooting over the defense. Kahit medyo matangkad pa to si number 27. Wasn't enough. Kyle Ladi, again, showing his skill set and his versatility and his scoring ability. Dito naman, isasetan siya ng down screen. Off-ball naman siya. Down screen sa gitna ng court. Papunta sa may free throw line. Again, he's just going to shoot over the defense. Nakadraw pa siya ng foul counted. As much as ayokong mang-hype ng player, pero sa dalawang laro, ang dami niya na pinakita eh. Kaya niya mag-create off the dribble. Kaya niya mag-shoot over the defense. Kaya niya tumakbo sa fast break na hindi ko nga kinover kasi obvious na yun eh. Diba? And then kaya niya rin maglaro off-ball dito. Diba? May screen from Bahay. Nag-pull up siya. Fade away. Sa right corner. Swish. Parang yung arsenal niya ng scoring reminds me of a Justin Brownlee. Kung kahit saan tumayo, merong shot attempt, may bantay o wala. And being 6'7", pushing 6'8", diba? Ang laking bagay nun. Unfortunately, hindi siya eligible for Gilas. Maybe mag 10-year residency, pero matagal na yun. 25 na si Kyle Ladi ngayon eh. So, 35 na siya nun. Pero if we're just looking at the talent, we're just looking at the player, diba? Sa isang vacuum or sa UAAP context, he is quite an anomaly. He's not a Jamie Malonzo. Malonzo was around 6'7", 6'6", was athletic, shot the ball well, diba? Had some flashes of, brilliance, pero he's not a Kyle Ladi type of player. Si Kyle Ladi talaga, scoring. Just pure scoring sa size niya na yan. And again, ayoko mang-hype, pero sa nakikita ko ngayon, parang in terms of NBA level talent, parang siya yung archetype eh. Diba? 6'7", can score, can somewhat create, can play off-ball, can exist without the ball. So, very exciting. Anong papakita pa ni Manny Ladi para sa Ateneo Blue Eagles na, expected to be one of the better teams sa season na to ng UAAP.